Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the rear wiper on your Ford Edge. First, ensure you have your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver ready. Safety is key, so park your vehicle securely and turn off the ignition. Understanding the basic components of your rear wiper assembly will make the process much smoother and quicker. This simple maintenance can greatly improve your rear visibility. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You will find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be gentle to avoid damaging the arm. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook-shaped end of the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm until it clicks securely into place, indicating a proper connection. Once it's firmly attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. Ensure it rests flat. Finally, let's test your new wiper blade. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper function to ensure it operates smoothly. Observe how well it clears water from the window, looking for any streaks or missed spots. For best visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or whenever you notice a decline in performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.